Okay, so I installed Powertoys a little while ago, and now it's saying an update to Powertoys is ready to install. So if I want to install this update, all I do is I move my mouse over Update Now and left click once. If you haven't got Powertoys installed, then please see my video. There should be a link to it up in the top right hand corner of the screen right now. So it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Well, as long as it says Microsoft and the verified publisher is Microsoft Corporation, then it's okay to move your mouse over yes and left click once. So it says, please wait while Windows configures Powertoys Preview, and it's preparing to remove the old version of this program. So it's just doing that right now. This bit might take a little bit of time, please be patient with it. And it's now installing the new version of Powertoys Preview. Again, this might take a bit of time, so please be patient. And there we go, the box has now disappeared, and it says Powertoys was successfully updated, but it does say to run the application you must install the .NET Core. Would you like to download it now? So move your mouse over yes and left click once, and it's now given us access to download, but I have noticed it's automatically started downloading in the background. So if I just click on the cross in the top right hand corner of the screen here of the browser just to close it down, and then I move my mouse over yes here on the do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and then left click once, and then hopefully it should start automatically installing the .NET application that it said it needed. Again, this bit might take a bit of time, so please be patient. And there we go, that's now installed. So if I go to the bottom right hand corner of the screen, click on this little arrow pointing upwards there, and there's the Powertoys logo just down there. So if I double left click on that, then Powertoys will start running. Now it says there that you need to run as administrator to use this setting, so I'm going to click restart as administrator. So just move your mouse over restart as administrator and left click once. It will then say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? As long as it says Microsoft there and the verified publisher is Microsoft Corporation, move your mouse over yes and left click once. And then move your mouse down to the Powertoys logo just down in the bottom right hand corner of the screen there. If you can't see it, then click on the arrow pointing upwards and that should reveal it. And let's just double click on that again, and there we go, it's now running as administrator. So first of all, I would say turn on this always run as administrator. So let's just left click just to the left of off, and it goes to on. There's not much difference here from the last review that I've done, and you can see that review. Like I say, there's a link in the description to this video which will take you there. The big difference is Windows Walker has now been replaced by Powertoys Run. So it's a quick launcher which enables you to launch programs very, very quickly. What you do to get Powertoys Run to work is, let's just close this down here by clicking on the cross, and you press the Alt key and then tap the space, and there you go, Powertoys Run starts. And if you wanted to open a program, so say if I wanted to open Chrome, I just type Chrome in there or start to type it, and as you can see all the instances of Chrome appear just there. Click on it and Chrome will open. So it's just a quick way of getting programs to run. So like I say, you hold down the Alt key and then tap the space bar, and up comes the box, and you can search for anything. So there you go, I've typed in Word, so it's come up Word, WordPad link, Word link, so you can click on any of those and it will start the program. So there you go, that showed you how to update Powertoys and just gave you a quick brief overview of what's new in version 0.18. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching. And like I say, if you want to see my previous guide on Powertoys, please check the link in the description to this video. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.